Hey everybody! So, my good friend Frances has a business, and there was a sale, and she ordered a bunch of acrylic, and I have no idea what's in here. So, come on in, let's see what's here. Oh my goodness. We got a bunch of choices, apparently. You're the best, Frances. Oh my goodness. Here, let's do this. Oh, so sparkly. I've been getting a lot of these multis, so it's sparkly on one side, purple, so when you go through the sparkly, don't do that. And then, no, that's just blue mirror. Grandpa should have his glasses, but holy cow. Oh, so that's going to be cool. Wow, that's really, oh, that's neat. I have something like that in green. Ooh, that side's... I don't know which side's cooler. I think that side's actually cooler. It's hard to tell with the stuff I know. Oh, so this is red. I've had this before, red, and it's going to be black when you burn through it. Bright pearl, orange acrylic. Well, we'll get back to that one. I ain't spending the time on. Ooh, so that's the same thing with, wow. I think they actually, like, mix these by hand, so it's kind of cool. And it's got plastic over it. It'll look much better. That's way interesting. Purple. Ooh, what's that one? Oh, so that's just straight up. It's just straight up glitter. Blue metallic. Oh, another blue. Just blue metallic mirror. But again, you can't tell because of the matte purple. That should be interesting. Brown. Oh, it's just straight up brown. It's just brown. This one I've used before. This one's super cool. Oh yeah, the back's not very good on that one, but it's got the glitter in it. Terracotta. Terracotta is going to be brown, isn't terracotta? It's probably lighter brown. I don't have fingernails, so I can't grab the edge. Terracotta's like the pots, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Ah! Whoa. That's not that's not... maybe it is. It looks like Barbie color to me. Oh my goodness, there's more. Frances. Dark sage green. Oh, so that's just going to be like terracotta. It's just going to be a sage green. These are cool. I was looking at these. It's like wood grain, like a floor. So if I've got like a... Oh, and it's beige on the back. So you do the stuff like flooring guys or cabinet guys. Yeah, I'm thinking about that. What's that one? I really need... Bright pastel bubble gum. Oh, this is going to be good. Bright pink? Or like... Oh, yeah, it's bright pink. Oh, but it's matte. Ooh, interesting. It literally looks like a giant sheet of bubble gum. Alright, well, I have a bunch of cutting to do because now I owe Frances a whole bunch of keychains. You want me to do some keychains for you guys? Let me know. Apparently I have a ton of colors. Well, thanks for coming out, guys, and we'll be back. I'll update you. I got some stuff coming out, but wow, I got a lot to do. Thanks again, Frances. Have a good day, guys. Thanks.